Okay, we're teaching about the metric system. Now, we use the metric system in Great Britain and Europe. Now, this is my big sister, what I used to call my big sister, from Wales. So she's part of Great Britain. So she uses metric system as well, do you?
Yes, we do.
Okay, now we're also going to teach you Greek and Latin as well. Okay, I have centi and milli. Now, these are Latin. Centi means 100 and milli means 1,000 in Latin.
And I have the Greek kilo, which means 1,000.
Okay. Now, part of our metric system, we have metre, litre and gram. Now, a metre is this length. It's about the width of your stairs. Okay. Now, if we use this Latin and the Greek before it, if I put milli before the metre, so it says millimetre, that means split it into 1,000 pieces. So I divide the metre by 1,000 to get a millimetre. Now, centi was Latin for 100. So if I put centimetre, it means the metre I would divide into 100 pieces to get my centimetre. So that's a lot smaller. So these two are a lot smaller than a metre. Now, you've got kilo, Alison. Would you like to explain that?
Yeah, I've got kilo, and this is times by 1,000. So it is 1 metre times by 1,000, which gives 1 kilometre, which is not quite as much as a mile, but it's quite a long way. So kilometre times by a metre by 1,000.
Okay. Now, litre, we have, this actually is, I've got water in this jar, and there's a litre of water. It's quite a big jar. Okay. Now, I can use centi and milli before these. Milli, again, would be that litre into 1,000. So I'd split that into 1,000 pieces to get my millilitre. Centilitre would be, I'd split this litre into 100. Okay? Now, this has actually got a weight. Now, we're looking at gram here. Now, gram's to do with mass. Now, technically, mass and weight are not the same things. But for this, it is fine to use it for the same. So we're going to think of the weight.
I've got a paper clip here, which is about the weight. It weighs about 1 gram. It's very light. That's a 1 gram. And if I put kilo in front of that, that means 1,000 grams. So it's the weight of 1,000 paper clips, which is getting much heavier. So kilogram, 1,000 grams. And we can go less.
Okay.
With 1,000th of a gram, which is a very small amount. Milligram is 1,000th of a gram. And a centigram would be 100th of a gram, and that being the weight of 1 gram being the weight of the paper clip.
Okay, we hope that's helped you, especially if you decide to go around England or Wales or somewhere like that. Okay, bye.
Bye.